Development planning, project implementation, attractions operation, real estate management, fulfilling the mandate to make development happen for 50 years. This is the role of the Urban Development Corporation UDC, an organization established in 1968 to make development happen when and where it is most needed in the country. And so it started March 21, 1968. Through a special act of Parliament, the UDC sought to ensure that planned and orderly development took place when and where it was needed in Jamaica, within the framework of national priorities. Over the years, the UDC has carried out this responsibility at different levels. Initially, it was by ensuring that adequate primary infrastructure was in place. That responsibility was later extended to the provision of secondary infrastructure. The UDC was empowered by law to operate within areas designated by the Minister of Government under whose portfolio it falls. However, from time to time, the corporation is also required to undertake special projects outside of its designated areas. The UDC is currently focused on 6 main areas. These include downtown Kingston and Port Royal, Caymanas Estate, Hellshire, Ocho Rios, Falmouth and Montego Bay. In 1968, the Kingston waterfront became the UDC's first designated area. The corporation has been an active player in the development of downtown Kingston ever since. Downtown Kingston continues to be developed, and currently this process is being guided by the phased implementation of the Downtown Kingston and Port Royal Redevelopment Plan 2030. This plan will facilitate the development of both areas and will be aligned to the Vision 2030 Jamaica National Development Plan. UDC's relationship with its second development area of Ocho Rios began in 1969, when the corporation acquired all bayfront property in the area and reclaimed 40 acres of land to create a first-class beach. Over the years, the UDC has successfully transformed Ocho Rios from a sleepy fishing village to a vibrant resort town. The UDC and partners are still committed to the ongoing transformation of this major resort town. Currently, the Ocho Rios Improvement Project is ongoing, being guided by the Greater Ocho Rios Redevelopment Plan. Specific components of the ongoing works include the Marina, Promenade and Main Street. Over in Caymanas, the UDC is implementing the Caymanas Estate Development Plan CEDP, which is aimed at creating a wealth of investment opportunities, including the development of recreational facilities, housing solutions, and an industrial estate. Hundreds of homes have already been created by investors, and major primary infrastructure in the form of the Caymanas sewage conveyancing pipeline put in place by the UDC. A Caymanas Special Economic Zone was created in 2014, and an enterprise team has been established to oversee this zone and conduct a review of the plans developed for the area by the UDC and the future implementation. Falmouth in Trelawney has been a UDC area of focus. As part of the development process, the corporation has collaborated with several stakeholders to coordinate, develop, and implement an integrated master plan for the Greater Falmouth area. This Greater Falmouth Redevelopment Plan 2010 to 2030 facilitates the planned and orderly economic, social, cultural, and environmental development of the area. Today, the corporation is spearheading a development plan for the designated area to reflect the present needs of the city through the coordination of regular meetings with stakeholders. The redevelopment plans provide for the rehabilitation of the groins, which mitigates against flooding, and the transformation of closed Harbour Beach, otherwise known as Dump Up Beach, into a major recreational park. The Urban Development Corporation, making development happen for you since 1968. Visit udcja.com and sign up for alerts on their 50th anniversary activities. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.